You know how I know she's Jericho's sister?
Oh! 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 My eyelashes are all messed up from that adjustment.
Hey, it's Dr. Vinny, ARK-LA-TEX Spine and Sports Medicine. So today we have Caitlin here, and if she looks familiar, it's because it's Jericho's sister and they look almost exactly alike. So she has some lower back pain, and the back pain they're having, is it on both sides equally? One side more than the other?
Equally, both sides. Yeah.
When is it the worst?
When I wake up in the morning.
Wake up in the morning?
Yeah.
Okay. And then it gets better as you get up and start moving?
Yeah, I can.
It can get better?
It can get better. Sometimes, like, when I bend over, I can feel, like, a...
tightness?
No, just like a kind of like a, I don't want to say shock, but kind of like, ooh.
Okay.
That's
you get old. She's getting old. Can't you tell? She's getting old. I see grays up there. So, do you ever have any tingling, numbness, burning going down your legs at all?
Mm-mm.
Never?
No.
Okay. And did you ever have an injury or anything like
Nope.
that?
No.
So let's do a few tests here.
Okay.
So, I'm just going to poke around here. Feels a little tighter on the lower right side here than the left, but you say it feels equal to you, right?
Yeah.
So let's go back this way. Any pain with that?
No.
No. Let's go back and right.
No.
Any pain with that? Good. Let's go back and left. Any pain with that? No. Good. Okay. Lay on your back for me now. Face up. So we're going to do a couple of tests here. We're going to do a straight leg raise. Any back pain?
No.
No. Let's bend the knee. Any back pain?
No.
No. Let's rotate here. Anything?
No.
Anything?
No.
Maybe come down like that. That was my elbow. I want to hold here and push. Any pain with that? Good. All right. Now, same thing on the other side. We'll go straight first. Any back pain? No. Let's go here. Any back pain? Good. Here. And here. And then go here. And I'm going to push down and hold your hip here. Good. Any pain with that? No. Good. Okay. Now flip over on your stomach for me. Any pain in your upper back or neck?
No.
No? And you're a teacher, right?
Yes, I am.
Those kids haven't given you a headache yet?
Every day. No.
All right, I'm going to brace here and I'm going to rotate your hip in. Any back pain?
No.
No, good. Out? Any back pain? No, good. I'm going to hold up your knee and pull up. Anything there?
No.
Good. All right, down. Let's do the same thing here. Rotate in. Anything with that?
No.
Out? Nothing with that. Good. And I'm going to pull here. Anything there?
Nope.
Good. Okay. So we've kind of cleared all of the major issues that we might have concerns about doing some adjustments with her. So now I'm going to palpate the spine, push around the joints, the muscles, see what we can find here. So drop your hands down to the floor and any pain with that?
Nope.
There. You're a little bit stiffer on that side than this side. Tender right there? A little bit. How about here?
I mean, I can feel it. It doesn't hurt.
Yeah. Tender there? A little bit tight right there. You're at the tightest right here. You feel that?
Yeah.
More so on the right than left, but
Yeah.
both sides equally. So I'm going to start. I'm going to do some adjustments up here first.
Okay.
Go right here. And you've been adjusted before, right?
Yeah.
Good. So I'm going to hold pressure here and here. I want you to breathe in all the way out. Relax the back.
Oh.
Let's go right here again, in and out. Keep it out. All right, right here. So I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in, hold your breath. Good, relax. Good. Good. There it is. She would relax for that one. All right, now let's come up here. Tender there.
Yeah.
See, I can find it. I'm gonna tilt your head this way, and I'm gonna push right there. Okay, just keep this relaxed. Good. This side not quite as bad, but a little right there, tender. Yeah. So I'm gonna put my hand here. I'm gonna tilt you opposite and push.
Oh.
Perfect. Okay, now turn on your side facing knee this way first. We'll do the good side. So
Where does my hand go with this one?
I'll fix you in a second. Bend here. Good. Put that one there. And then I'm going to have you cross here and here. Good. Okay, stay relaxed right here. Good. Alright, so I'm going to hold that spot right here. Put my hand here and roll you this way. You stay nice and relaxed, and I'm going to pull right here. Good. Perfect. You know how I know she's Jericho's sister? Have you ever seen Jericho get adjusted? Because if you haven't, go back and watch her videos. They're both loud. Go the other way. I think it's in their genes to be loud. Sorry.
Yes.
Now this side is even tighter.
Yeah.
Nice and easy right here. Perfect. It's okay, let it out. Let it out. Lay on your back now. Alright, now let's poke around here. You're doing good. So slide up towards me some. A little bit tighter right there.
Oh, yeah.
Feel that?
Oh, yeah.
Right over here. Not as bad,
Yeah.
but definitely a little bit there.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so I'm going to loosen that up a little bit here. I'm going to hold pressure here. Rotate left. And I like her already because she has boxers. I love boxers. Do you have
I have two.
two boxers?
Mhm.
What are their names?
Daisy and Bear.
Daisy and Bear. I've had three.
Oh, they're
I've
my
had
3 and 4.
I don't have three now.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I love the boxers my whole life. So let's do this. Going towards the right first. So I'm going to hold you here. Keep this nice and relaxed. I'm going to push right there, okay? Good. More, a little bit lower. Good. And now the same thing going here. Good, nice and relaxed.
Oh!
Good. Okay, go ahead and come up. That feel all right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me hold this. I'm gonna let y'all stand next to each other. You tell me if you think they look like sisters.
My eyelashes are all messed up from that adjustment.
All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.